Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting your camera directly to the computer with a reliable USB cable or configured Wi-Fi tether. Once connected, open Capture One and choose or create the session where files will land. This keeps images organized. Make sure the camera is in the mode you intend to shoot in manual for consistent results, and enable any tether options on the camera if needed. Then, in Capture One, go to the Camera tool and prepare to initiate the live tether connection so images stream in. You now establish the live link inside Capture One by opening the Camera tool and selecting your device from the camera list. If it does not appear, reconnect or restart the app. Once connected, set file format and naming conventions, choose the destination folder and any capture variant so files import correctly. Enable Live View if you need framing feedback, and adjust autofocus and shutter release rules. Make sure auto import and backup options match your workflow so you don't lose images or overwrite files. You're ready to shoot. Fire a few test frames and confirm exposures, transfer speed, and orientation in Capture One. Once done, use Live View or Capture Pilot to review images, apply quick ratings, or make capture selections so the session stays efficient. To wrap up, stop tether capture in the Camera tool and safely eject the camera. If the connection fails, check the USB cable and battery, confirm camera drivers, and restart Capture One. That single troubleshooting step resolves most tether issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.